And members of the public are calling on the government to ensure that all proceeds of the divestiture of a 15% stake in Safaricom to Vodacom are strictly ring-fenced for development. Some of the speakers at the Public Participation Forum at the Kenyatta International Convention Centre questioned the timing and implications of the transaction, as Trevor Ng'endo now narrates.
The joint sitting of the Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning and the Select Committee on Public Debt and Privatization witnessed sharp exchanges as members of the public voiced concern over the fate of the country's most profitable company.
Pesa ni yetu. So Safaricom ikienda kuuza ile shares si pesa ya serikali bali ni pesa ya nani? Sawa. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema kuongea kusema mimi si support.
While fears were raised that partial divestiture could open the door to foreign control of critical digital infrastructure, supporters acknowledged the government's need to ease the fiscal pressure.
I support selling the shares, but to Kenyans.
Mimi na support hii kitu badala ya kuenda kukopa pesa.
From civil society actors and economists to small-scale investors, speakers said selling any public interest in Safaricom should be handled well.
If these shares are going to be converted of making good roads from here to Turkana, then we start getting those oil. That oil will assist us repaying back the loan or assisting us do other projects.
Na pahali niko pale niko kwa zile nyumba za affordable, ninaona ile kazi inaendelea. So nikiona ni mambo ya development, hiyo najua ni 100% hiyo pesa inaenda kufanya hiyo kazi.
You have also raised concerns about making sure that the fund is ring-fenced by law so that money does not go to the consolidated fund services to pay for other things. And it's good that we have even discussed what happened during Eurobond, where we borrowed more than almost the equivalent of what we are raising now, but we cannot point out what exactly was done by that Eurobond.
Legislators maintain that the proposal is still under review, adding the feedback from the Public Participation Forums will be central role in Parliament's consideration of the proposed transaction. What has clearly emerged from this public hearing here is a deep sense of public caution over how the state handles its most valuable assets. While the government argues that the partial divestiture could ease the fiscal pressure, it's the view of the majority of Kenyans here that Safaricom is still a strategic pillar of Kenya's economy and should not be touched without absolute transparency or consensus. Trevor Ng'endo for Prime Edition, Nairobi.